Good afternoon to all. In previous class, we discussed the two topics. What are the two topics? Concentration of the solution. One is mass percentage, another one is volume percentage. Now, in this video, we'll learn the new topic hydrated salt and water of crystallization. What is hydrated salt? When ionic substances are dissolved in water to make their saturated aqueous solution, their ions attack water molecules with them attached chemically in certain ratio. This process is called hydration. What is hydration? Ionic substance. Some salt are dissolved in water easily to get saturated aqueous solution. The ionic substance attract water molecules in chemically in certain ratio. This process is called hydration. This ionic substance crystallizes out from their saturated aqueous solution with the definite number of molecules of water. Definite number of molecules of water. The number of water molecules found in crystalline substance is called water of crystallization. This type of salt are called hydrated salt. Hydrated salts. The ionic substance easily dissolved in water. We attach water molecules in chemically. This process is called hydration. The hydrated substance contains definite number of water molecules. Definite number of water molecules. How many number of water molecules present? The number of water molecules found in crystalline form. This is called water of crystallization. The substance contains some water molecules. This is called water of crystallization. These types of salts are called hydrated salt. Hydrated salt. This is hydrated salts and water of crystallization. What is hydrated salt? The ionic substance contains some water molecules in crystal forms. These types of salts are called water of crystallization. This crystallization of salts are called hydrated salt. Hydrated salts. For example, see this picture. The A diagram contains blue color crystal substance. Another one is amorphous crystal substance. Both are salt. The first watch glass contains blue color crystals. This is crystals of hydrated salt. The water contains the salt contains water in crystal forms. The second watch glass contains amorphous anhydrous salts. The second watch glass does not contain water molecules. So it is called anhydrous salt. Water contains salts are called hydrated salt. Hydrated salt. Absence of water molecules are called anhydrated salts. Hydrated is nothing but presence of water, certain amount of water molecules in crystal forms. On heating these hydrated crystalline salts, they lost their water of crystallization and become amorphous or lost their color. So if they are colored, And heating of the crystalline substance. Any crystalline substance heat, the crystalline substance contains some water molecule. Crystalline substance contains some water molecule. The heat the salts, the water molecules are easily evaporated, so lost their water molecules in crystal forms of substance, so become formed amorphous solids or colorless substance. The colored compound change into colorless substance. Every crystalline substance are heated. The crystalline substance contains some water molecules. These water molecules are easily evaporated, so we formed crystalline substance into amorphous substance. Amorphous substance. See this tabular color. This is some common hydrated salt. The first one, blue vitriol. The IUPAC name of the blue vitriol is copper to sulfate pentahydrate. Copper to sulfate pentahydrate. What is the molecular formula of blue vitriol? CuSO4 dot 5H2O. CuSO4 dot 5H2O. This blue vitriol contains how many water molecules? 5 water molecules present in crystal forms. The second common salt is Epsom salt. The Epsom salt IUPAC name is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means 7, penta means 5. So magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Heptahydrate. The molecular formula of Epsom salt is MgSO4 dot 7H2O. Hepta means 7. How many water molecules are present in Epsom salt? 7 water molecules. 7 water molecules. The third one, gypsum salt. The IUPAC name of the gypsum salt is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Dihydrate. Di means 2. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. The gypsum salt molecular formula is CaSO4. CaSO4 dot 2H2O. The gypsum salt contains how many water molecules? 2 water molecules. 2 water molecules present in crystals form. Next one, green vitriol. Green vitriol IUPAC name is iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate. Iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means already told. Hepta means what? 7. The green vitriol molecular formula is FeSO4 dot 7H2O. FeSO4 dot 7H2O. This green vitriol contains how many water molecules present in crystal forms? 7 water molecules. 7 water molecules. Last common salt is white vitriol. The white vitriol IUPAC name is zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means 7. This white vitriol molecular formula is ZnSO4 dot 7H2O. ZnSO4 dot 7H2O. This white vitriol contains how many water molecules in crystal forms? 7H2O. 7H2O. Once again recall hydrated salt with molecular formula. Blue vitriol formula CuSO4 5H2O. Epsom salt MgSO4 7H2O. Gypsum salt CaSO4 2H2O. Green vitriol FeSO4 7H2O. White vitriol ZnSO4 7H2O. These are the important 1 mark question. Dear students, in this video we'll learn 3 topics. What are 3 topics? One is hydration, second one water of crystallization, and some common hydrated salts. Learn today's topics. Thank you students.